What's going on YouTube? Welcome to another Stock Talk daily analysis. I'm going to be doing actually a weekend analysis, so I'm going to go more in depth into stocks. Again, I'm going to be covering the same stocks I always cover. So I have gold, I have SQ, I have SE, Netflix, Microsoft, Apple, AMD, CRWD, and Tesla. And again, I am going to be talking about Bitcoin. Bitcoin seems like it wants to go up, and if it goes up, we could easily test new highs for Bitcoin, and that's a easy investment because Bitcoin can easily, and I'm telling you right now, it's 1100. I think we are going to be hitting 2550 very, very soon. So I'm gonna jump straight to it. I'm gonna jump to my E-Trade. Let's see, where is it? Okay, no, that is not my E-Trade. Okay, let me just switch pages. There we go. So this is my E-Trade. I'm gonna be talking about Apple. Apple was one of the stocks where they had fantastic news come out, and it just broke some really good lines that we've been looking at before. And I think Apple is a really good investment right now. It's a little high right now, but don't overthink it that much. Apple can very easily keep going higher and eventually hit 500. Let me just show you what I have going on before. Um, well, yesterday we were trading below this line where I kind of like told you guys, hey, if this goes over 391, that's where we're trying to hit. If this goes over 391, we're very easily gonna be hitting 409, and we're gonna be retesting that new high. And the news were so good that we broke 410 and we went all the way up to 426. And whoever was trading Apple had a great day. You can see how I bought shares. I actually bought multiple shares. It's just I don't know why. Yep, here comes another one. It's just they're not all showing. I bought Apple early in the morning, about like 4:02. Had huge profits. I didn't sell. I got a little greedy, and then I was like, oh no, it's gonna drop and it's gonna go back down here. But I held on, and this line very definitely held strong. You can see where this line just keeps hitting over and over and over. So I knew this was a very strong line, and I got greedy, and thankfully it worked out for me. I bought more more shares here when it broke the top support line of the beginning Swift. So usually a good sign that it's gonna go over again, which happened, and I actually bought more shares. You can see me just buy multiple shares. Not really shares, actually calls. I think Monday is gonna be another great day for Apple. And let me see if I can pull this up really quick. These are the futures. The futures are looking really good. We're up 0.62, so that's usually a good indicator that Monday is gonna be good. We're just gonna look at the follow the weekend analysis um, on the Dow, and just see where that's going over the weekend. And if we have a strong open on Monday, this stock can easily see 450. I think we're going to be seeing really huge highs for Apple, since the news was that they're going to do a split share on August 31st. So I think Apple is a really good stock to own right now, especially if we keep maintaining momentum over this top line. If we have another this could just literally be making a new trend. You know how we were following this trend right here? We're about to make a new trend, and who knows how high we can go with Apple. The next stock I want to talk about is gold. Like I mentioned, gold, I kind of said I was going to be getting out of gold, and, I'm not going to be into gold until we hit 188. Just because, remember I said before, this bottom support line is kind of what indicates where the stock is going. If we are far below it, then I am not going to be holding on to gold. And like I said, I had a nice run with it. So, take your money, invest. If you're not buying and selling every day, you're not day trading. You know what I'm saying? You should be constantly buying and day trading every day. When you see something high, you sell. And a good example of that is SQ. I was talking about SQ yesterday, and SQ. I'm actually going to go into my trading view just to show you SQ because I keep telling you guys this. Make this 15 minutes, and I keep telling you guys whenever it hits this blue line, you should be selling. And I've mentioned this many times. This was an easy indicator at 9:30 when the stocks first opened up to sell SQ. So if you sold here, guys, let's be smart. And I've mentioned this. This was yesterday. This is today, It hit it twice. You could have easily made lots of money and rebuy it at this bottom blue line. This is the easiest trend we can find here, and obviously we're trying to hit this blue line once again. So guys, I sold 930. First thing was I did was sell because it was dipping below this blue line. I was like, all right, cool. Let me take my profit and buy at a lower rate. That's what you want to do. You want to buy and sell constantly. If you're not doing it, then you're not day trading. You're swing trading, and the goal is to find high points of stocks to sell and then reassess. Because now you take that money. Now you're playing with the market's money, and you can reassessed it to another stock that is lower than it should be. And that's how you make money doing this. But if you know where to sell and you're being very smart about this, you will have sold here and maybe you will buy anywhere below it. Most likely, I thought I was going to hit this orange line. I'd never bought till it was here. Again, the blue line. That's where I'm buying, guys. And then I just held on to this, little drop, and I'm holding on for another day. I should have sold it honestly. It's very very close. I should have sold it, but actually I think I sold. I had two of them. I sold one. So goodbye more into Aapl. Now I have a lot of money into Aapl right now. So again, guys, you want to day trade? Buy, sell. Know where to buy, know where to sell. If you're literally watching this as you day trade, you're gonna see the patterns and you're gonna see what's going on to be more successful at trading and make a lot more money, guys. If you're holding on, especially to options, they depreciate. You want to be quick. You want to be in and out as quickly as possible. Now, just really quick, give me 1 second. I want to hop on to my next stock just to make sure I'm holding to the right one. Right, SE. Now, SE is another great stock. I've been talking about SE and investing in SE. They kind of had like a wish-washy day today. I held on to this because I thought we were gonna hit 126, and I held on to this really big drop, anywhere from 125 to 122, and then we went back up, and I just held on to SE. Like I said, I should be day trading more. It's tough to do it because you always want to hold on to your stock when you see it doing good. Am I right? Like who here wants to sell the stock when it's really like, oh yeah, I have so much money, and if it keeps going up, I'm gonna make way more money. You know what I'm saying? Like we all feel that way. The thing is, you gotta sell. So this is SE. I've made charts for this many times, and I think SE will continue going up. It does look like it's a little high, but I definitely think we're going to be retesting again this point 125 just one more time. That's where I want to sell, and then I might be out of SE for a long time. I think that's just my final straw. I want to sell here, but as long as it stays above this green line, I'm gonna stay in it. That's how I trade. I don't want to sell, you know, here when I think we're gonna hit over here. My next stock, Nflx. I told you guys not to really trade Nflx. If you trade Nflx today, didn't do anything, guys. So, like, it's just a waste of time. It's just okay. Was it 31st? Not much. It literally was it 0.63 rate raise. Not much. Again, I think for sure we're gonna be hitting this orange line, and that's where I have my alerts. If you're not setting alerts for your stocks and where to trade, you're not trading, guys. Set alerts because you can't follow every stock at the same time. Set alerts, buy and sell constantly throughout the day. Next we have Microsoft. Microsoft looks really good right now. The reason I say this is because we are trying to break this. Was it 5, 6, 7? This is 7 top support line, and I think at this point we're gonna go up and hit this green line. And if it's anything like Apple, once you hit this bottom green line, you're gonna have a huge push, and we might very quickly see 220, 219 around that range. So keep that in mind. I think Microsoft is a really good buy for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and Friday next week. I think we are gonna, as long as we stay above this green line, as long as we stay over 205. If it goes under, you sell. If it goes over, you hold on. Right? Okay. So my next stock is AMD. AMD, I've just been saying, if you don't know what to do, just hold on to it. I think we're gonna hit 100. Today was kind of like a boring day. If you hold on to the stock that you're not really seeing much action. Nothing really happened today. So we're just gonna keep holding on to AMD if you're holding stocks. Usually I hold on to stocks where most of my money is kept. Like let's say if I have 20,000, I'm gonna hold 20,000 in stocks that I believe are gonna go up, and then I have another 5,000 to trade options. So that's a good strategy on how not to lose all your money with options because I've done that, and I'm sure you guys have some bad experiences. So my next stock is CRWD. I think I told you that this stock is doing decent. I'm looking to break this line right here, 113.72. If it doesn't, then I'm just not gonna hold on to this stock. I think it's gonna bounce off this green line and go down, especially since this orange line is pushing it down. So we have it here, 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 here. I think we're very easily gonna see something just like that, where it hits this green line, and before we consolidate and go back up again. So I'm staying off CRWD. And lastly, we have Tesla. Before I get to Bitcoin, Tesla, like I said, don't play with Tesla right now. It's a really bad. I wouldn't say bad stock to own. It's very risky. I mean, as long as maybe you like trading Tesla just because it's a cool brand. But what happened was when it popped, when it had a huge pop from 1,000 to almost 1,800, they got a lot of new investors who are just holding the bag right now, and a lot of people are just selling up and selling off. And I think we're definitely gonna be hitting 1,200 very soon. That's where you want to buy it. I'm gonna mention that on my next daily analysis to buy Tesla when I think it's a good price. And lastly, guys, as a promise, Bitcoin. Bitcoin, 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 Bitcoin is I think it's gonna pop off this weekend. I want to say this weekend or Monday, Tuesday. It is just ready. It's ready to launch, guys. This purple line has a huge history. I'm gonna go back in time. Let's do an hour analysis. This purple line, and the reason I say it's purple line because it's a huge support, and we're finally getting to it. We're finally trying to break it. So you can see how it hits right here. We hit it right here, right here. And we goes over this line, you see a huge jump, which is a good indicator that this is the support line to follow. We here, when we go under, we go under. When we go over, we go over. So you can see when we go under, we go under. And it kept trying to hit it. It kept trying to hit it. Look at this beautiful I can't talk right now. Sorry, I had a long day, guys. Consolidation. It just consolidates perfectly, and boom, we have an explosion right here. And I think we're gonna see another huge explosion once we break this purple line all the way up to 12,600. So that's kind of what I want to keep my eye on. And the reason I say this is because if you're trading stocks like Mara, look at this, you can make a lot of money trading Mara, the cryptocurrencies that follow the Bitcoin, which are on the stock market. You don't even need to, do Binance or use a different provider for crypto, which I do have one for crypto, and like Dogecoin, those really funny coins that they have going on. It's alright. I had a good day. So as long as Bitcoin keeps going up, this stocks could see a massive, massive burst. This was the burst of December 17 when Bitcoin went up. It was at $40. So if from 2 to 40, you can easily make a lot of money. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for following me. Thanks for giving me comments, giving me work to do for some people. Hey, can you do this stock? No problem, guys. I'll do any stock you guys want to do. Again, thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up. I really want to move up that chain on YouTube. And if you guys have any comments, let me know. Post a comment. I love responding. I'm also on YouTube. Just following my channel, following my viewers, seeing the process that I have been doing. And for those that don't know, this is a milestone for me. I actually broke 100 subscribers yesterday. I'm already at 104. So my goal is to get 1,000. Once I get 1,000, I feel like I have um, more true subscribers, people who really want to follow me. That's probably when I'll start a live channel during trading hours. Because if I was doing live today, I would have told you guys, hey guys, hey EQ, sell. Hit the top support line, sell. Hey, hit the bottom support line, buy. Because that's what I'm doing, guys. I'm buying and selling at the top and bottom support lines. And I have them drawn in for you guys to make those really smart decisions. So again, please give me a like, give me a thumbs up, and give me a subscribe. Thanks for watching.